Hello everyone and welcome to Day Trader S&P 500. Today is Monday, May 9th, 2022. This is Dale Woodson, editor of Woodson Wave Report. We've got a few things to get you guys caught up on, and we'll touch base on the interest rates in US Treasury, S&P cash, and the EMini futures. Let's start with the interest rates because this is a big deal. Because everybody says it affects the stock market and they're blaming it. Anyway, we've got a 5-wave completed pattern, 1 up, 2 down, 3 up over here. It was a perfect 1.618 and 4 down. By the way, interest rates were like 0.33 back here. Okay, I think they were 0.333. Yeah, there they are. And they went up to over 3%. That's a pretty good rise. And we had a virtual direct hit on our target today. That's so close that I can't tell the difference, but I will show you guys that, and then I'll show you where we're going. Okay, let's just see if we can get down here to there we go, right there. US10-year, we were long. We're expecting the next top to be 3.198. We got a 3.203, so we're moving to a short position on rates and against that high of today. And there's our retracement targets there, and I can show you guys on that chart. We go from over 3%. We're short against this high. Okay, then we're looking for a move down to 382 is 2.107. 50% is 1.768%. And the 618 is 1.492%. And as you can see, where all this accumulation is here, that would be a great place for this to correct to, because again, it's between it's within the parameters of the fourth wave of one lesser degree of trend. Okay, and we've got another 4 over here. So I expect this thing to go right in between this 50% retracement and the 618. 1.768% and 1.492%. Okay, let's go this route. We have a little bit of catching up to do. Put out a report Sunday night after out a couple days. I was out Thursday and Friday. Came back Sunday, immediately went to the 1-minute chart. We were looking for 5 waves down on a 1-minute chart to make sure that this 4303 triple top that we talked about before, it was a double top, and the market went down about 250 points. And then it hit it again on the 4th, and we mentioned it went down 200-something points, and were we rewarded again? And it was such a good, shall we say, risk-reward alert right there, because the risk was virtually nothing to the upside. As soon as it went over 4303, we were wrong. Didn't happen, and the reward was 4062. That was not bad, and actually it went lower than that today, as you all know. But that's what we were looking for Sunday night. Got it, put out a report, and our customers were enjoying that. Let's get to the S&P cash real quick. We're looking at a daily bar. You can see the all-time high there in January. We've got a 1 down, 1 or A 2 or B up, and 3 or C down. Looking for a target of equality at 39.34. Excuse me. The low so far is 39.75, as you can see over here. We've got within wave 3, we've got a 1 down in black, a 2 up, a 3 down, and a 4 up, and there's where our 5 targets were. Hit the first one, so it did meet the minimum requirement of being lower than the wave 3 low, and it hit the 1.1 to wave 1. We have lower targets here, and we still want to see this 39.34. So this move down is complete or nearly so. Okay, so that's what we want to look at, looking for a reversal. Again, we'll be looking for 5 waves up and 3 waves down to the opposite direction as we were from this 4307. You can see that high there, that high there, that high there. Okay, so that's what we're looking for in the S&P cash. Let me see if I have a little cleaner picture of that for you guys. Yeah, here it is. Here, the cash. Okay, there's the 1 or A, 2 or B, 3 or C. This could go farther. I didn't get into that alternate count. Okay, a normal correction, we've been saying this for months now, would be 3 waves A down, B up, C down, C equals A, done. That would scare the bejesus out of people, but it is happening, and it has happened. But alternately, we could have a 1 down here in red, a 2 up, and then this could be extending or subdividing, and a 1 2 1 2, which would be 3 degrees of trend. It's possible. You see, I have it as an alternate, and let me get into that cash market there. I think I have that. Yeah, okay. If we've got a 1 down, a 2 up, and then a 1 and a 2, those 3 targets, I'll have to scroll this up a little bit, but they would be 38.56, and that's right by that 272. I think is 37.33. The 1414 is 36.43, and the 1618 is 35.77. I believe I have those in the report to the customers, but we got to look for that if this 39.34 is broken to the downside. And of course, we have to look at the wave count. If it is a 1 2 and a 1 2, then this thing should just accelerate to the downside in the alternate count scenario. Let's get into the futures. EMinis, same thing. We've got the prices and dates in purple and the wave count in black. We've got the 1 down, the 2 up, 3 gains equality with 1, or C gains equality with A at 3924.75. There's that double, triple, quadruple top at 43.03, and that's where 5 down targets are right here. 40.27 was 1 to 1. We had a 39.70 as an actual. There are lower targets there, and again, we'd like to see C or 3 gain equality with 1 or A. It's not quite there, but we'll let this play out. And this has an alternate too, same alternate count in red, a series of 1s and 2s. We have a 1 in parentheses, a 2 up, a 1 in red, a 2 up, and then a 3rd degree of trend, a 1 down and a 2 up. Let me see if I have that pick for you guys. Let's see. Nope. My apologies. EMini futures. We have, that's what we were looking for there. There it is. Okay, and you can see the same thing there. It's a little cleaner. There's our targets there for wave 5, and we had, I want to give you guys those alternate count targets there too. Okay, so we have a 1 2 and then a 1 2. So 3 with the red circle around it, targets would be 38.49.75. Let me get this a little closer. I think it's 37.26.50, 36.32.25, and 35.69. So that would be a third of a third of a third wave, or 3 degrees of trend if this plays out. We'd look for this 39.24 to not only be met but surpassed, and then that would bring that alternate count into play. I want to show our pre-market open report this morning, if I had that there, and we'll just go to the post-market close. I want to show you guys what we have and what we had and what we have excuse me, have coming up. I'll be out tomorrow morning, let our customers know, but be back late morning. All right, that was our previous report. Updates in red. There was that target achieved. That's that low so far. We needed confirmation that wave 4 is over and wave 5 down is in progress. We got that, okay, over Sunday night into Monday, and then we need to see a break of that wave 3 low to give us 5 down. We got it. It happened. There it is. And there's where 3 gains equality at 39.24. The low to date so far is 39.70. And here are those extension targets for the alternate count in red. Let me leave you guys with the, let's go with the futures. You can see they're up a little bit in post-market, but that's what we're looking at here. So this move looks to be on our primary count complete or nearly so, maybe a little more downside. And if it goes through here, that 39.24.75, they're going to really examine this third wave of 3 degrees of trend. Okay, that's it. Until next time, take care, everyone.